if ax squared plus bx plus 3ax squared plus x is equal to 4x minus 2x, find the values of a and b. And we're going to do this by equating the coefficients. What that means is what we know is on the left-hand side and the right-hand side, the coefficient of x squareds have to be equal, and the coefficients of x have to be equal. So first of all, we're going to expand this left-hand side to simplify a little bit. We get a squared x squared plus bx plus 3ax squared plus 3x is equal to 4x minus 2x squared. Now, if we're just looking at the x squared terms, what we now know is that the coefficients of x squared have to be equal. On the right-hand side, we have minus 2x squared. And on the left-hand side, we have a squared x squareds plus 3ax squareds. So that means that a squared plus 3a has to be equal to negative 2, because the coefficients of x squared on each side of this equation must be equal. That is, a squared plus 3a plus 2 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic which factorizes to a plus 1, a plus 2, which means a is either negative 1 or a is equal to negative 2. Now we do exactly the same, but with the coefficients of x. We have 4x on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, we have bx plus 3x. So that means we have b plus 3 is equal to 4. That means b is equal to 1. So here we have used equating the coefficients, because we know that the coefficients on the left-hand side must be equal to the coefficients on the right-hand side to determine the missing values a and b. This is a really useful trick to be able to apply in many situations. We saw something similar when we did complex numbers in Unit 1. We will see something similar later on as well. But equating coefficients really is a very helpful tool when you've got equations and unknowns within that equation.